Welcome to the DIY guide on how to fix the ABS modulator on your KTM Duke. Please note that this guide is intended for those with basic mechanical knowledge. The first step is to check the ABS sensor cables of both the front and back wheels. These cables are crucial for the ABS system to function properly. Next, inspect the pulsar rings or ABS sensor rings on both the front and back wheels. These rings can get damaged or dirty, affecting the ABS functionality. Now, check the fuse associated with the ABS system. A blown fuse could be the reason your ABS isn't working. Replace the fuse if necessary. To immobilize the ECM, engine control module, disconnect the battery. This ensures safety and prevents any electrical issues while working on the ABS modulator. Carefully remove the ABS modulator from your KTM Duke. Be sure to keep track of any bolts or parts you remove during this process. Using isopropyl alcohol, clean the ABS modulator thoroughly to remove any carbon deposits. This helps in restoring its functionality. And you're done. This process gives you a chance to retain a broken ABS modulator. However, if this doesn't resolve the issue, replacing the ABS modulator is the only solution. Always consult an expert if you're unsure about any step.